you see that rabbit? Yeah, na a rabbit. Yes, rabbit. He's eating. And he's in the yard. If I go closer, I think he'd run away. Hi, rabbit. Hi, rabbit. You eating my grasses? Who is that? Someone is driving a truck. Hi, Mr. Rabbit. Come closer. Come on. Come, rabbit. Oh my gosh. Come here. Come here. You gonna come? Come here. Come on, rabbit. Okay, I'll come closer to you. Don't run away from me. I won't hurt you. Hello. Oh, look at the white tail. Oh, I ran away. Come on. I don't have a cat with me. The cats are gone. Come on, Mr. Rabbit. Yeah, those are just rabbits in the yard, wild. Okay, that's bye now.